Hi guys, welcome back with me again and the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can mark area with a rectangle in CapCut PC. Here, for example, I want to mark an area with this around this text right here. So you can just go to media and go to stock materials here and find the white background in here, add it to clip. Okay, now you can just go to mask and choose the rectangle option. You can adjust the size of the rectangle, this for example, and after that here you can just create a compound clip using this white background. So right click and choose create compound clip, this one. Tap on the white uh, background again, this one, and go to mask still and choose the rectangle shape again. Here you can adjust the size like this, for example. After that, you can click on invert orifice, just like this. So after you do the masking, now you can just move the rectangle. As move it like this so that the rectangle is on the around the text. Now you can on the video and basic, you can disable the uniform scale, and here you can adjust the height and width of a rectangle itself. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can mark an area with rectangle in CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the bell. Bye.